Today we will be meditating and finding peace in a beautiful mountain spa where you can fully relax, soothe your muscles and your mind and soul. Let's start by finding a comfortable position. You can either sit or lie down on your bed or on your yoga mat, or wherever feels comfortable for you. Rest your arms at your sides with your hands open, limp and relaxed. I will give you a few moments to get comfortable. Now let's start by breathing in deeply through your nose, right down into your belly. And then exhaling all your tensions and all your worries. And again, breathe in deeply, right down into your belly, expanding your lungs. And then exhale out through your mouth, letting go of any thoughts or worries. And now, one more time, breathe in deeply and exhale fully, relaxing more and more. Allow yourself to fall into a natural and relaxed breathing pattern, allowing each breath to relax all your muscles in your body as you release tension each time you exhale. And now let's start by visualizing in your mind's eye that you're in a beautiful and cozy cabin in a quiet and serene mountain retreat. There is a fire crackling in the corner, and you can smell some lovely scented candles that are providing a wonderful warm golden light on this misty winter's day. And as you look out the windows, you can see a beautiful snowy landscape all around you. The peaks of the mountains are glittering with the last faint ray of the sunshine, and the treetops of the forest around you are swaying in the wind. You notice a huge rock towering above your cabin, and between a small crack in the rocks, you can see a small waterfall of steaming water. The snow all around this waterfall is melted, exposing the grey rocks to either side, and the water is streaming down into a natural spa. You immediately feel drawn to this steaming spa, and you slip on your sheepskin boots and a warm woolly bathrobe and head to the front door of your cabin, stepping out into the snow. And as you walk along the path to the steaming spa, you can feel a tingly, almost burning sensation where the snow touches your bare legs. And the closer you get to the spa, the more steam you can see arising from the warm, inviting water. The air around you is getting really foggy and moist against the cold winter's air. And when you reach the side of the pool, you can see that the water is completely clear and a beautiful blue color. The water is shallow and so inviting. So you take off your bathrobe and your boots and leave them on a dry rock that has been heated from the warm steam of the spa, and you step into the warm water. After walking across the cold snow, the water feels very hot on your feet and legs. Can you feel the heat arising? The air around you is cold, and crystal snowflakes are falling softly onto your face and shoulders. And as you step further into the hot pool, you get warmer and warmer until you're totally submerged. You sit down on a rock in the water, which comes up to just below your chin. And you can now feel the luxurious warmth of this healing hot spa all around you. Your hands and feet are tingling and feel quite hot at first, but as you adjust to the temperature, the water feels just right and you completely relax into it, feeling completely at ease. The rock you're sitting on is smooth, and you lean back and fully relax each muscle in your body, feeling comfortable and completely at peace, just enjoying the heavenly sensation of the soothing and healing water all around you. Let your arms rest at your sides, floating just a little, and allow the muscles of your arms to relax completely. Your arms feel heavy and relaxed. It is such a calm and pleasant feeling. Then feel your neck and your shoulders relaxing, surrounded by warmth and soothing any tension that you may have felt there before. Then feel your upper back relaxing, your collarbones and your chest, and let the warm healing water do its magic on any tense muscles and tightness. And as you feel the water moving against your skin, you're feeling completely at ease. You can even feel some water bubbles tickle your skin as they brush against you while rising to the surface of the water. Now, allow your stomach and lower back to relax, letting go of tension and any blocks. Feel your legs relaxing all the way from your hips, down your thighs, down your knees, down your calves, right down to your feet and toes. Your legs feel so warm and so relaxed. Now feel the warmth all around you, the wonderful healing water, soothing every muscle in your whole body. Allow all your worries and stress escape, drifting away like the rising steam from the spa. Now notice the beautiful scenery all around you. The snow, the trees swaying in the wind, and the rugged mountain peaks peering out through the fog. It is so heavenly quiet here, and the only sound you can hear is the slow trickle of the steaming water into the spa. It is very peaceful. You can smell the fresh winter air, and you feel completely at ease and relaxed. And as you look up into the sky, you can see the deep dark blue of the canopy of heaven, with many stars gleaming in the sky. First, you can see the brightest stars. Some sparkle with a reddish tint, while others are blue or frosty white. The stars pulse like hearts against the dark sky. And as the night deepens, the stars begin to shine with their full glory. They are weaving a net of jewels across the sky from the horizon to horizon, and you can see many constellations gliding in their eternal dance. And the bright gleaming path of the Milky Way as it makes its way across the arc of the night. The display of the universe is brilliant and breathtaking beautiful. And against the silent night, you can imagine hearing the stars singing, like the chime of crystals in some far away place. And as you watch this wonderful display, you feel that you're truly part of this beautiful, all-consuming universe. You are filled with a complete sense of connection that is so comforting and soothing. And you feel as if you're expanding into the universe yourself. You can feel the light from the universe pour into you with white light and healing energy. You feel it soaking into your body like a divine shower. And this healing light is making its way into all your chakras and any nook and cranny that needs healing. The light brings you divine balance and is releasing any blocks in your body, mind, and soul. You are now deeply relaxed, bathing in the starlight within your body and the warm, healing water outside your body. You are feeling warm and content and are enveloped in healing from without and from within. look back up into the starry sky, you can see a shooting star burn its way across the night, vanishing in a bright flash. Then comes another, and then comes another shooting star, and another. Enough shooting stars to allow for 1,000 wishes. I now give you some time to make your wish. Try and visualize whatever you want to manifest. Now, when you're ready, imagine stepping out of the hot spa onto the warm, dry rocks beside you. Put on your bathrobe and your boots and slowly make your way back to your warm cabin. The snow that touches your feet feels pleasantly cool and helps you to feel more alert. Now imagine opening the cabin door and going inside. The cabin is warm and dry, with the heavenly scent of candles and its warm light welcoming you. You are now ready to gently open your eyes, moving your arms and legs, and sit quietly for a moment with your eyes open, returning to the here and now, feeling alive and well. I hope you enjoyed this guided meditation and that it has brought some peace and healing for your body, mind and soul.